An immediate or cancel order is a directive for swift execution of all or part of a trade order. An immediate or cancel order instructs the broker to execute the specified quantity of a security immediately. If the entire order can be filled immediately, it does so. If only a partial fill is possible, the unfilled portion is promptly canceled. By canceling any unfilled portion, immediate or cancel orders limit market exposure. They prevent execution at varying prices, which can occur with other order types. An immediate or cancel limit order guarantees entering the market at a specific price. An immediate or cancel market order does not have price attachment, transacts at the best offer price for a buy or the best bid price for a sell. Investors use immediate or cancel orders for large orders to avoid varying prices. For example, if an investor places an immediate or cancel order to buy 5,000 shares of a stock, any unfilled portion is automatically canceled.